Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm going to be showing you right now how to make sure that all of your favorite tabs stay open during your restarts or if your computer accidentally turns off or anything like that. This will work also even if you have like categories and tabs up here and everything's organized. It'll place you right where you left off. So you're simply going to open your Chrome browser. This does only work on Chrome. You're going to press your three dots up here at the top right corner. You're going to select Settings, and you're going to come over here to the left and select On Startup. And then you want to make sure that the selection says continue where you left off. So if you would rather just have a new tab page pop up when your computer turns on, you can do that too. But continue where you left off will reopen all of the tabs that you had open when your computer shut down or restarted. So hopefully that is helpful. You can also select to open a specific set of pages, and then you could actually add them all here. So if you wanted like every single day you wanted the same, few websites open, you could set that up ahead of time as well. But I like continue where you left off. Hope that's helpful. Have a great week.